So spoken and humble, he needs no introduction. Following in on his grandfather's footsteps into the industry and ruling it, he is called Junior NTR for a reason. He is the true heir to his grandfather's throne in the Telugu industry and without a doubt, the young tiger of the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Junior NTR in the flesh.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, one and only NTR Superstar.
Thank you, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Trivandrum. First of all, I would like to thank the Malayalam film industry, the Kerala state for one thing. If Tamil Nadu gave shelter to the film industry, Kerala gave birth to the technology of film industry. Some of the great technicians, this land has given birth to some of the greatest technicians and actors of Indian cinema. Hats off to the state. Hats off to the people of this state. It's called God's own country because the people of this state are like gods. This is not the first time this state has loved films and blessed films. This state had blessed a lot of technicians and sent them across the globe. This state was the first state to embrace films for other languages as well. First of all, thank you so much for being so broad-minded and so kind to all the languages other than Malayalam as well. Well, now that I've thanked the state of Kerala and the beautiful people of the state of Kerala, I would really like to thank Shibu Tameen sir for bringing me back to Trivandrum again. My first blockbuster ever in my life. My connection with what bonded me and Rajamouli more was Simhadri, and that movie was shot here. For me, it is so nostalgic to come back to this beautiful city called Trivandrum. I would really want to thank you for making this happen, sir. I don't know when I would have ever come, and thanks to Rajamouli sir for not making RRR. I will not thank him for that. I will do that later when the movie releases and it's blockbuster written on that film for sure. But I would like to thank him to have brought me and Charan back to Trivandrum here again. You know, if he didn't push us to promote this film, if he didn't open the doors of promoting film all over the country, we wouldn't have been here. Thank you, Jakana, for that. And thank you, sir. Thank you for presenting this film. And I know what passion you have for films. I just happened to meet your family and you were wonderful, Ria. You were I just couldn't imagine you on. I never thought you would speak like that. You just set the stage on fire. And Ridu is there, my brother. All the best. We had a great chat with you. All the best for your future endeavors. And one day I wanted to see you on a stage like this. I'm sure you will achieve that. Thank you so much. So thank you again, sir, for presenting this film. Please sit down, sir. I'm sure this film is going to rock. And I'm sure you will present many more successful films like this. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank Danaya Garu for making this extravaganza possible, for dreaming. I don't know if he dreamed of RRR, bringing two superstars together or two stars together. I never thought he would have. But for the patience he had with my director here, S.S. Rajamouli, finally I think in history even Danaya Garu will be remembered for this fantastic film which is coming towards you. I would really like to thank my brother here. I finally called you brother. My brother Tovino. What a versatile actor. I don't want to sit down here and start talking about your acting talent because this is the only option I have right now. But I will come back to you. I want to sit and really talk to you about your versatility. I really love your versatility. I don't know. I don't know if it's the state. I don't know if it's the people you have, the versatility. call it Mohanlal sir, call it Mammootty sir. I mean, Dulquer, Fahad sir, you. I mean, there's so much of a versatility in you really, and the actors which this mother called Kerala State has produced are fantastic, and you're one of them. Congratulations for the super hit Minnal Murli. We will meet soon, my brother. Thank you so much for gracing our event here and blessing us, because every blessing is very important for us. And well, finally, I would like to, not finally, last but not the least, my Jakanna is one of the best sculptor in India, and I don't know why, I just felt like calling him in the first movie itself. And truly a sculptor, a director, a filmmaker, the only filmmaker who could manage to erase the boundaries of regional films and make it one big Indian film industry today. We are all sitting here, we are all sitting down here together, sharing this equation with each and every actor. It's only purely because of one filmmaker's dream. Thank you, Jakanna, now for bringing back the lost glory of Indian cinema, having multi-starrers. We've seen so many multi-starrers when we were young, and I don't know why, for a reason it just vanished, and today you're bringing it back. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my name also, along with my brother, my Charan here, in the pages of history. Thank you so much. And my other half. Well, if you ask me which half Charan is, this or this, I would say it's the left half, because my heart is right there. So, I mean, I really don't want to say a lot about our friendship, our bonding, because I really don't want it to make I don't want it to make a publicity stunt, because we are not friends because of Triple R, but we've been friends, and we being friends had made Triple R possible. So I don't want to say a lot about our bond, but thank you, God, thank you, fans, for supporting us, for giving this 200 odd days to spend with my brother here. ఎవరో అమ్మ తెలుగులో అడిగారు. దేవుడికి ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. 200 రోజులు నా బ్రదర్తో కూర్చొని గడిపే క్షణాలు నాకు ఇచ్చినందుకు. ఈ బంధం కేవలం ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ తో ముగిసిపోతుందని నేను అనుకోవట్లేదు, ఎందుకంటే ఈ బంధం స్టార్టెడ్ బిఫోర్ ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్. సో ఐఎమ్ ప్రేయింగ్ గాడ్, ఐఎమ్ ప్రేయింగ్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్యాన్స్ హియర్ టు ప్రే that we stay together for a very, very, very long time in our lives. Well, having said all this, అభిమానులు చాలా దూరం నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. దయచేసి రామ్ చరణ్ అభిమానులు ఇద్దరిని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళండి. We have Tovino Brothers fans also here. Please, everyone, I know it's a very joyous moment to see all of us together, but please get back home safe, because you're all very important for us. మీ అందరూ మాకు చాలా ముఖ్యం. దయచేసి జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంటికి వెళ్తారు అని I pray that you reach home safely. Thank you so much. Thank you once again, Kerala. Thank you, Jakanna. Thank you, Shibu sir, for giving me this opportunity of standing in front of you and addressing you people. Thank you.